Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Windows Defender behavior Win32. First of all, open your settings and click on Update and Security. Click on Windows Security. Click on Open Windows Security. Double click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and click on Manage Settings. Scroll down and here you'll find this Change Notification Settings option, so click on that. We need to toggle off all notifications for virus and threat protection, so toggle off this. Scroll down, also toggle off this option, and that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.